Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check Inter Betterment results. This easy method will guide you through each step, ensuring you can quickly access your scores. We'll cover finding the correct website, navigating to the results section, and understanding what information you'll need to have ready. It's a straightforward process designed to help you get your results without any hassle, so let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to the official website of your state's education board. Look for a prominent section or link specifically labeled Betterment Results or Intermediate Results. It's crucial to verify that you are on the authentic government portal to protect your personal information. Take a moment to confirm the URL before proceeding to the next step, ensuring a secure experience. Once you've found the correct link, you'll be prompted to enter your hall ticket number. This is a critical step, so please type your number carefully and accurately into the designated field. After entering, take a moment to double-check every digit to avoid any errors. An incorrect entry might prevent you from accessing your results. Once confirmed, click the Submit or Get Results button. After submitting your details, your Betterment results will appear on the screen. Carefully review all the information, including your subject-wise scores and overall grade. It's highly recommended to either download a digital copy of your result or print a physical one for your records. This document is important for future academic or administrative purposes, so store it in a safe and accessible place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.